Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I am not talking about SRM University, but something which is very important for a college career. So in this, I will be talking about Coursera. For those who don't know Coursera, let me tell you, it is an open teaching platform where you will find top-notch colleges around the globe, where you can get top-notch faculties and top-notch knowledge from those. So what's the benefit of Coursera and why I am talking about it? Because guys, nowadays, Coursera certificates give a damn big boost to your CV. Many big giants companies give importance to Coursera certified programmers or in whatever field you do. So that is why I'm talking about. But what's the main motto of this video? Why I'm telling you? Because guys, see, being such a big platform, it provides courses, no doubt. Top-notch faculty is there, but they also charge a hefty amount for it. But in this video, I will be telling you how you can avail those courses for free. Yes guys, you got it right. I will be telling about how you can avail those courses for free. So I would suggest you to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out anything. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay guys, now let's move to the computer screen. So first of all, search Coursera. So here is the site, you can find coursera.org. Simply go there. And guys, first of all, you have to sign up here. See, I am signed up only here. So first of all, the basic, you know how to sign up. So you can use a Gmail ID or whatever stuff they are asking, you can use them. Now, what's the main thing you can do for getting those courses for free? First of all, let me show you how much they charge for each courses. So see, like I'm searching for Python, as it is very much prevailing nowadays. Demand is high, so I would search for Python. So as you can see on the screen. So yeah, see, as you can see on the screen, many like 617 results came out for this, and you can see they are from like IBM is giving or University of Michigan. So you can find top-notch universities here, and so let me take any of them. So Python for data science, AI, and development, that is very much demanding nowadays. So here it is. So guys, one thing I want to make it clear why we are using it, because see guys, in college only teacher will teach you only the curriculum what is mentioned here, but when it comes to college you have to put in your efforts to crack placements or to boost your knowledge. So for this only Coursera is being made, and Coursera is gaining a huge demand nowadays. So guys, as you can see on the screen, first of all it is written enroll for free. But guys, see, here it is what it is. If you will enroll for free now, it will give you only some of the free courses. Like it will not give complete course, but it will give you video lecture and other stuff. But sometimes it doesn't give certificates for them, or sometimes the higher levels are not being unlocked there. So what you can do here? So guys, as you can see, financial aid available. Here it is mentioned clearly, as you can see on the screen. You have to simply click on it. Now, what is financial aid? Let me first tell you that. And why I'm telling about this, because financial aid is a service you can say that is given by Coursera for the students who are not that economically strong or financially strong that they can pay this much amount. But guys, being an Indian, we are jugadu, and you know, like we don't want to pay that much amount, rather than we find tricks. And basically nowadays many of the tricks are being played for them. So I am also using one of the trick so that you can avail these courses for free. Like one of the courses I did here, which was related to Python only, Python for everyday. So that was costing me around 3,500 for per month. So guys, and it was a course for near about 2 months. So near about 7,000 I have to pay. But why I have to pay amount if I can get those for free? So here is the way how you can get it. So financially it is for that only. So now let me tell you how you can avail step by step that process. So first of all, we clicked on financial aid. Now simply we have to click on continue the application. Don't click on see, just a second. One thing I want to tell you here, like just a second. See, whenever you click on financial aid, they will give you two things. First is continue to the application and enroll and start learning today. Don't click on enroll and start learning today, rather than click on continue the application. This application will take 15 days to get confirmed. So now first talk about what you can do here. So simply see, they are asking you some of the things, so simply click on that and you have to just retype what is mentioned here. So I am doing that. So just click on continue. See, now here they are asking you educational background and annual income. I will tell you each and everything what you have to fill here. So first of all, education background. Being a college student, so you will be telling about some college because you haven't got the college degree. Some college you will, because we are availing this, so we have zero annual income. So put zero. Employment status, you have to simply do it student, and when it again how much you can afford to pay. So again you will have to fill zero. Now, see guys, main thing comes here is these two questions, because they will ask you to answer these two questions. So basically, if they find it genuine and your answer which you have put here are genuine and they found yeah really you need them, then only they will provide you the course. It's not like you can fill anything and they will 100% give you the financial aid survey. So for this only I have be giving the link in the description part of my Drive link, where I have given both the answers. And I assure you, if you will use those answers, you will avail this financial aid service guaranteed. So guys, I will putting the link in the description. Kindly use that Google Drive link and copy the answer and just paste it over here. So guys, help us to so can you low interest loan you have to take, they are asking, so simply put no. No need to fill this, and simply you have to click on I am not a robot, and then you can simply submit the application. Now guys, I will be telling you what email will you receive. So as you can see, a screenshot is shown on the screen. So this will be a confirmation email. Just as you submit the application, they will be sending you to the registered email address. Now how it will be when the course is approved, that also you can see on the screen. I will be again showing the screenshot. Like this you will get email like your course has been approved and you can start your course from today. So guys, I hope you got it, how you can avail the Coursera courses that cost a good amount, but you are getting it for free. So guys, I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you. So with this, I would like to end the video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel. It gives a motivation for us to bring more quality content for you guys. So with this, I would like to end the video. If you have any query related to this video or SRM University, you can directly comment in the comment section, or you can connect us on our Instagram handle as well as on our Telegram channel. I'll be giving the link in the description part. Simply use that. So with this, stay safe, stay at home guys. Thank you.